Hello everyone, in this tutorial we explain how to install Chrome browser on Linux Ubuntu by using command line. But before we start with installation, let's first address the following question. Namely, some of you might ask me this: why do I need to install Chrome by using command line? Because I can simply go to the Chrome website and I can install it by using several mouse clicks. Well, that's not the point of this video. Of course you can do that. However, imagine that you want to write a script that will install, for example, 30 programs and that will set up your operating system as well as many programs that you want to use by just running one command line. And that's the main idea. Namely, these commands over here will install Chrome and you can integrate them in a script and you can call a single line from a command line and everything will be installed. Okay, so let's learn how to do that. First, I'm going to resize this window over here and let's open a terminal. So click here and search for terminal. Here it is. Then I'm going to resize this terminal such that you can see what I'm typing. I will deliberately explain every command that I'm typing such that you know what you're doing. I really don't like when I see video tutorials that are just copying and pasting without explaining what's happening behind the scenes. People who make such tutorials really do not understand what they're typing and you shouldn't follow their tutorials. So first of all, make sure that you run these two commands. First command will update and second command will upgrade all the packages and everything that needs to be upgraded. Next, enter your password. Okay, the next step is to install wget. Wget is a very powerful program for downloading files, folders, and for installing software. So let's first of all try to install wget. Most likely you will have it as I have it. And let's just verify that wget has the proper version. So let's see here. Okay, here I made an error when typing this command since you should actually type this. Oops, I made an error. Wget -- version. And this is important. And over here should be -- Okay, next you need to type this command. And over here you need to specify the address where the file is. The file is Google Chrome stable current AMD 64 Debian. So here it is. And I'm going to post a link to these instructions in the description below this video. So here it is. Okay, so let's run this. And now you can see that things are being downloaded. And then finally we can run sudo package manager with the option I. We specify what we want to install and that's it. That is, we need to specify the name of the file that we use to retrieve by using wget, and that's it. And now here you need to wait for a while. You can see what's happening behind the scenes. We are currently unpacking and that's it. Now after you run this command, you should run this in order to verify that everything is okay and to fix if there are some dependencies that are missing or something like that. So everything is fine. And finally you can start Google Chrome. There are several ways to do that. For example, over here you can, for example, type this and Google Chrome will ask you this: do you want to make Google Chrome the default browser? Let's not do this for a while and let's not select this. I don't like to be spied, and click OK. And here is Google Chrome. And over here you can sign and you can start. So let's now see if everything is fine. Got it. Over here you can see what's happening behind the scene. So let's now start. For example, you can search. Let's search for something that's nice. Nikola Tesla. And let's see what's here. And here it is. Google Chrome works like a charm. And of course here you can probably update Google Chrome, etc. So let's click on help and let's see what is the version that we are using. You can see this is the version, etc. Later on you can configure Google Chrome and you can see that we are running a relatively recent version of Google Chrome. Okay, that's all for today and thanks for watching.